Hey there, Donnie Rosie, and today I get to fly in this aircraft with pilot Dave, a friend of mine. I'm documenting the Warren County Fair this week, and he said he'd be willing to take me up. We're here at the Pittsfield Airport, so you can kind of see this is a grass airport. And yeah, we get a chance to go flying today. Really excited. Well, it was a super great time flying with my friend Dave today. We went over Kinzua, we went over Warren, the Warren County Fairgrounds, and over Miracle Mountain Ranch, which was great because I was able to take some pictures from the air. I'm not able to reach that altitude with my drone, and some of those pictures might help us with planning. So just super thankful for Dave taking me up today. Hope you enjoyed that little video.